In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a GitHub pull request. First, open GitHub in your browser. If you're not sure which project to contribute to, open the menu and head to Explore. Then browse the trending repositories. Pick a public repository you want to improve. This can be documentation, a small bug fix, or any simple tweak that adds value. Inside the repository, open a file you'd like to change. For a first contribution, choose a text-based file like a README, a markdown document, or a simple configuration example. Avoid editing compiled files or anything that could expose secrets. With the file open, look for the pencil icon at the top right of the file view. That's the in-browser editor. Click it to start editing. If you don't have direct write access, GitHub will prompt you to fork the repository to your account. Accept that prompt. Forking creates your own copy where you can make changes safely. After the fork is set up, you'll land in the editor within your fork. Make your change now. Keep the edit focused and clear so reviewers can understand it quickly. When you're done, scroll down to the commit section below the editor. Add a short descriptive commit message that explains what you changed. And if helpful, add a longer description in the extended text area. Aim for messages like fix typo in README or update config example for clarity. Then click Commit Changes. If a confirmation dialog appears, click Commit Changes again to proceed. Once the commit is saved, GitHub will offer to create a pull request from your forked branch back to the original repository. Click Create Pull Request. On the pull request page, confirm that the base repository and base branch are correct, typically the project's default branch, often called main, and that the compare branch is your forks branch with the change. Review the diff to make sure only the intended lines are included. Add a concise, informative title that summarizes the change and use the description box to provide context. Why the change is needed, what it affects, and how you verified it. If your change relates to an open issue, mention it so maintainers have full context. Clarity here speeds up reviews. Finally, click Create Pull Request to submit. You've now proposed your change. After submission, watch for automated checks and reviewer feedback. If updates are requested, make edits on the same branch in your fork and commit again. The pull request updates automatically. Be courteous, respond to comments, and keep your branch current if the base branch moves. That's it. You navigated to a project, edited a file, committed your change, and opened a pull request. Happy contributing. Happy.